Fluent English every day.
By Everyday Fluent English Podcast.
I have a confession.
Tell me.
For years, I was terrified of small talk. Someone would say, "How are you?" And I'd say, "Fine, thanks." And then just stand there.
The silence after fine.
The longest silence in the world. I never knew what to say next. And I always walked away thinking, why is this so hard for me?
I know that feeling exactly. You want to keep talking. You just don't know how.
Hi, everybody. My name is Olivia, and this is the Everyday Fluent English Podcast. My goal here is to help you speak natural, confident English through real conversations and real-life situations.
And I'm Ben. Let's do it.
So today we are talking about something every English learner needs.
How to keep a conversation going after hello.
Because starting is not always the hard part.
Continuing is.
Knowing what to say next, how to react, how to move from one topic to another without it feeling awkward.
That is what today is about.
Please like this episode and subscribe to the Everyday Fluent English Podcast. It really helps us reach more learners.
All right, let's get into it. Olivia, what is the number one mistake people make in conversations?
One-word answers.
Say more.
Someone asks, "How was your weekend?" And you say, "Good." Full stop. Nothing else. The conversation just stops.
And the other person has to work so hard to keep it alive.
It's exhausting for them and embarrassing for you.
So what do you do instead?
You give details, even small ones.
Example?
Instead of good, try this. "It was really nice, actually. I went to this little cafe near my house and just read for a couple of hours. It was exactly what I needed."
Now there's something to work with.
3 details. That's all. The place, what you did, how it made you feel.
And suddenly, the other person has 3 things they can respond to.
They can ask about the cafe. They can ask what you were reading. They can say they need a day like that too.
You've opened 3 doors instead of 1.
And this works in any language. But in English especially, people love a small story, even just 2 or 3 sentences.
It makes you sound natural. It makes you sound warm.
And most importantly, it keeps the conversation moving.
Okay, so someone gives you details. They tell you about their weekend. What do you do next?
You react.
And this is something a lot of learners skip completely.
They go straight to the next question. But the reaction is so important.
Because it tells the other person, I was actually listening.
And that matters more than anything else in a conversation.
So, what are some natural reactions in English?
Really? Simple. Useful in almost every situation.
Oh, wow. When something surprises you a little.
No way! When something really surprises you.
That's so funny. When something makes you smile.
I know exactly what you mean. When you relate to something.
That sounds amazing. When something sounds exciting.
These are small phrases, but they do a very big job.
They tell the other person, I hear you. I'm with you. Keep going.
And native speakers use these constantly. You're not being fake when you use them. You're being engaged.
There is a big difference between fake and engaged.
Engaged means you're genuinely present. You're paying attention. And these phrases show that.
Now, after you react, add something of your own.
A conversation should go both ways, not just questions one after another.
That feels like an interview, not a conversation.
So react first, then share something from your own life. Then ask a follow-up question.
A follow-up question comes directly from what they just said.
Not, what do you do for work? Anyone can ask that.
But is it always this busy, or is this an unusual time for you? That's a follow-up.
It shows you were listening, and people feel that immediately.
Be interested, not impressive. That is the whole secret.
What about changing topics? Because conversations move.
And it can feel awkward if you don't know how.
So use these phrases. By the way, when something new comes to mind.
That reminds me, when it loosely connects to what you were just saying.
Speaking of that, when it connects a little more directly.
These phrases act like a bridge, smooth, natural.
The other person doesn't even notice the topic changed. They just keep talking.
Group conversations are different.
In a group, don't wait for the perfect moment to speak.
By the time you find it, it's gone.
Make a small comment instead. That's so true. I've had that happen too.
Just enough to show you're there, you're listening.
And once you open your mouth once, the rest comes much more easily.
That first word is always the hardest.
And silence. Everyone is afraid of it.
But a short pause is completely normal, even for native speakers.
It just means both people are thinking. That's not failure. That's human.
Don't panic. Don't say something random just to fill the space.
Let it breathe, and then continue naturally.
Or end the conversation warmly. I better get going. It was so nice talking to you.
A good ending matters just as much as a good beginning.
So, the formula.
Listen,
React,
add something of your own,
ask a follow-up question,
and continue.
listen, react, add, ask, continue.
You don't need perfect English. You don't need a big vocabulary.
You just need to be present, curious, warm.
Make the other person feel heard, and they will always want to talk to you again. Community question. Think of a conversation that felt easy and natural.
What made it feel that way?
Write your answer in the comments, in English, even one sentence.
We read every single one. You already know more than you think.
Just open your mouth. One small comment. One reaction phrase.
And let the conversation take care of itself.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.